We are going to take a look at some farming and staking opportunities on Crescent Network right now. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, we like to find ways to make passive income through farming and staking of blue chips. And we also like to find low market cap gems that can have big returns in the next bull market. If that sounds good to you? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Alright, we're going to be on app.crescent.network. This is a part of the Cosmos ecosystem. And this is a pretty cool little project. It's got a liquid staking protocol, which, I'm a big fan of if you watch this channel often. And there's pretty nice farms. So the first part of it is you have to get some coins over to it. So you have to go to portfolio. And what they have you do is you have to transfer in tokens. So if you hit transfer, there's quite a few tokens that you can deposit from the IBC. So you can look down here, there's Luna, Juno, Atom. So I'm going to actually deposit some Atom to show you. So if we click on Atom, it's going to deposit it from the Cosmos Hub. And I'm just going to go ahead and let's do 1.5 tokens. I don't have much in there. I want to leave some in for gas in my Cosmos Hub wallet. So we'll hit deposit and then it'll deposit some. So it'll be a 6-cent fee on average. We'll hit approve. So basically what that does is it brings in the Atom token. By bringing the Atom token in, we're able to swap it for whatever token we want to swap it for to get into whatever pool we want to get into. So my plan is to get into the Atom beefy pool, and then we'll be earning the Crescent rewards. And then the Crescent rewards we can take over to the staking pool, and we can stake them for 18.97% APR. And then we could take that beefy that we get for staking, that's the liquid token that we get from staking the Crescent token. And then we could pair that with more Atom and then earn more. So we could kind of loop it. That's the way I'm going to play it. So enough talking on, let me go here and demonstrate real quickly. I want to show you there's a bunch more pools down here. A lot of these are more risky than what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do any Luna pools. Juno, I'm not going to do either, even though it's got a higher APR. There are some other ones down here where you get dual rewards. You're going to get paid in this gravity token. And then there's a couple other ones that have dual rewards as well. There is one down here that was interesting, was the Atom USDC. That looks interesting to me. 39.5% APR. There's hardly any impermanent loss because you're staking Atom with USDC, which is a stable coin. But I'm just not interested in that. I'm going to go with the little higher APR. I'm going to have a little faith in the Crescent token. It looked pretty stable. We'll take a look at the chart in a little while and I'll show you. But it looks like it moved kind of with the Atom token. Okay, let's go ahead and make our LP tokens. So we're going to go to the swap. And we're going to swap some Atom token for the beefy. So we'll do that. I'm going to go ahead and swap one for 129.67 beefy. So that's going to swap. And then we're going to make our liquidity pair. So that's done there. We go to the farm. And then we go to join the fund. We're going to join the fund. And then we're going to go ahead and deposit. So we're going to hit max on the beefy. It's going to show us 142.14 tokens. We're going to hit deposit. We're going to do a transaction that costs a penny. We're going to put that through. And that's going to give us our liquidity tokens that we're going to put into the farm. Very simple. Standard farm. Pretty cool, it seems like. So let's join the fund again. Go to farm, and then we're going to hit our max deposits of 100% of our liquidity tokens, pool tokens. and then I hit approve. Okay, it went through, and if we look up here, it shows that we're in one pool, the Atom BCRE pool, and it shows that we're starting to gain rewards. So my play on this is to take these rewards out maybe once a week or once every couple weeks, and you can either put them, the two things that I'm thinking about doing is either putting them in the staking pool or just taking them and swapping them for Atom tokens. Because in the end, I'm trying to gain as much Atom token as possible through any of these staking protocols or farming protocols. Atom is the only one I want to hold long term currently. I really am interested in Jackal. I need to do a video on Jackal. I think that's going to be a really cool protocol that's in the Cosmos ecosystem. But currently, Atom is the only one I want to accumulate besides that. So I can show you how to stake the free tokens because I do have a few in the wallet. So if we were to stake them, I got 16. Let's do 14 so we have some left over. At stake, it's just a simple transaction. I just wanted to see how it shows our staking once the transaction goes through. Because what it does is it gives us a liquid staking token. See, it says success. And yeah, when you unstake, then it says how much CRE that you would get back from your BCRE. So now it should show that we have more BCRE in our wallet, which we do. We have the 11.63 tokens that they gave us for our Crescent tokens. So we're staking some Crescent now, and they gave us the BCRE. So we could, if we wanted to, put that back in the farm as well. This is a cool protocol just to earn some staking rewards. At 103.2% is nothing to sneeze at. So let's take a look at the price of the Crescent token though, because it was kind of pretty steady. If we look back all the way back to December, it's at about 6 cents, and it's gradually been going up to around a little over 8 cents. So as of now, it's not reacting like a normal rewards token where it's sold off like very quickly. It is holding its value fairly well. So something to keep an eye on, the price of the Crescent token. If the rest of the market dips, I'm sure it's going to dip as well. The one thing I caught here where it says the 103.2% plus 16.7. So it's saying if you're pairing it with BCRE that you're getting the extra 16.7%, which is the liquid staking APR. So you're actually getting more than 103.2% currently. All right, I plan on doing a couple more videos on more Cosmos ecosystem DEXs and farming and staking opportunities. So if you like the Cosmos ecosystem, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and please drop a like on this video. Thank you for watching as always, and have a great day.